everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I want to show you guys how I got this detailed hairline. Can you look at this video? This hairline is detailed, it's detailed, minimally detailed, but it is detailed. And in this particular tutorial I want to show you guys how I got the detailed hairline. I have other videos on my channel showing you how to do frontal install, but this time around I'm focusing on the detailing because I want a strong where if a beginner comes to this channel, they can learn something. They can just go and apply what I'm teaching and get the results. So this is how I started. When you want to detail your hairline, after applying the glue, cutting off the lace, you can, there are so many ways to do it. You can then start putting in the lines that you want. What I'm doing is I'm creating lines. I'm leaving, let's say, I'm not sure it's up to half an inch between one line and the other line. I was literally eyeballing it, but let's say you divide half an inch into two. That's the kind of space, that's the margin that I'm leaving between one of those lines to the other line. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. So yeah, what I'm doing here is called detailing. Part of detailing is also creating the type of hairline that you want. If you look at this particular one, I created the popular Lagos M-shaped hairline, right? And in one of my videos I have already shown how to achieve that. I dropped a hack how to easily get it and get it properly, so I won't be showing that in this video. But this particular detailing in particular, I want to make sure that I show you guys, and that's the reason why I specifically made a video to show this particular thing, because it's very, very important. It takes your installation from point A to, it takes it from 0 to 100. So yeah, I had excess lace by the side and I had to cut it off. The frontal did not cover my model's ear to ear completely, but we had to use regardless. We just had to use baby hair to cover the side that you're seeing. So yeah, after I finished cutting here, I went to the other part of her hairline, the other part of her face, and I repeated the same thing. I picked the I put the lines, I created the lines, and then I proceeded to mousse wrapping. Mousse wrapping is also part of your detailing. Mousse wrapping, what your mousse does is to help your hairstyle look clean. It's like a finishing touch. So it had to be part of this video. You cannot want a detailed hairline and not mousse wrap. So you mousse wrap and you dry. If you mousse wrap and you don't dry, your frontal will shift. Make sure you dry. I did an install recently and I didn't dry it properly and it kind of moved. My installs normally don't move, even 1 week straight. If clients carry installation, I do for them for 1 week straight. But that particular one happened because I did not dry it properly. So you need to dry up to 10 minutes dry. Make sure that it's dry, and then yeah. So that's what I did. I mousse wrapped both ends. I did not fast forward this video because I wanted to get it the exact way I'm doing it. So while I was mousse wrapping, if you notice, there's a kind of shape that I was also creating on this hairline. I was creating a curve. This is a closer view. I was creating a curve on the hairline, and afterwards I then tied my elastic band. I double wrapped it, I wrapped it again. You can see I'm going to bring the band and wrap it over again this other side, and then I'm going to dry, and I'll be drying it for about 8 to 10 minutes before I will proceed to the next step. So this is what it looks like after mousse wrapping and drying. Can you see how neat? That's what your mousse does for you. Then the next thing I'm doing here is to apply my melting spray. Melting spray is also part of detailing. It helps to melt. Obviously, you know what the melting spray does. It helps to melt the lace. And I'm not particular about melting spray. I think they are literally the same. Most of the brands have used. I also do what I call double melting. I share that technique in one of my tutorials. I'm giving you guys a tip. I would apply the melting spray and I would dry it, and apply the melting spray again, and I will dry it. And I do this everywhere, ear to ear. And then I will now, after drying, making sure that the melting spray area is not wet, I will then proceed to tying with an elastic band and drying for about 5 minutes or so, or maybe less. It just depends on how much time you have, and that is it. So this is me double melting here. Can you see? Double melting here. This is the second time I'm applying my melting spray, and then I will dry. I really wanted this video to be very short, but I did not want to forward it. Maybe I wanted to show like every single thing. I wanted it to be real. Like I didn't even cut off any parts. So you can see how I'm taking my time to apply the melting spray even on the other side. And then, like I said, after applying, I then dried. Now the reason why I'm repeating, for those of you who may be wondering why am I repeating, you gain mastery when you hear something over and over. Like when you're teaching communication, you have to repeat. Even in classrooms, when I teach people physically online, I repeat over and over. It helps the person to understand and to get it. So yeah, so this is it. This is the final look. We did a wedding look and then trial look, and then that was it. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, share. Please, I really need all the support I can get on this channel, guys. It encourages me to keep sharing my knowledge with you when you engage with my posts. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye everyone.